we'd like to give you a brief tour of the Palma greenhouse heater, the best little electric heater you can use to protect your plants in cold weather. The Palma is powerful yet energy efficient and safe. The good-looking stainless steel housing offers protection, functionality, as well as stylish design. The dual stainless steel heating coils are rust-free and provide warmth for years and years. The Palma is very accurate and offers adjustable heating and cooling functions for your greenhouse, garage, or workshop. Perfect for providing supplement warmth on colder nights. With a spray water protection, the heater is perfectly protected against any moisture and can therefore be safely used in environments like greenhouses, basements, or workshops. The Palma digital model comes with a multifunction digital thermostat, perfect for controlling just the right amount of heat or controlling the fan in warmer weather for improved air circulation. At the push of a button, you can easily set the needed temperatures on the digital display for the Palma or simply use the selector switch on Palma Basic. The temperature range on the digital thermostat can be set anywhere between -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, with a very low tolerance deviation. With a heat output of 5,118 BTUs or 1,500 watts, the Palma can be used for greenhouses up to 120 square feet.
This patio heater is great for our back deck. What I like about it is we can just have it on the ground if we want, but it does also come with hardware that you would need if you want to put it up on the ceiling or on the wall. You can do that. But for us, we kind of like to move it around, so we have not installed it permanently. To use, very easy. You just power it on here on the side. The red light comes on when it's on, and then you have your remote control. So I'm just going to press the power to show that it works there. Green light means go. And then you can choose your heat. So you have 500, 1000, and 1500. And we're going to just do the small one there. You can see it's immediately, and it feels great. The warmth you get from this, although it may look pretty small, it gives a great deal of heat out. So I'm very pleased with it.